Hello! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can forward the text on your iPhone 14 series device. First of all, let's open the iMessage app, then open the dialog with the person that we would like to forward the text message from, then long tap or tap and hold at the message. More. Once the message is selected, you can also select some other message to go with it that you would like to forward. Then at the bottom right corner, tap on this little arrow pointing to the right. Choose the recipient of these, forward, forwarding, forward, meant, whatever. Then return, and then tap on this little green arrow. And just like so, as you can see right here, you have successfully forwarded a message. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.